In the days of old, across the sea so wide, Ferna Mendes, Pinto sailed with pride. From Portugal to Asia, his stories grew. Tales of wonder, some say not all true. Oh, for now, the tales you spun, from India to Japan, under the sun. In Macau, your name lives on a different Mendes Pinto, where history's drawn. Through lands unknown he roamed so free, writing of adventures for all to see. In Macau, a street bears his name, a tribute to his daring, his quest for fame. Oh, for now, the tales you spun, from India to Japan, under the sun. In Macau, your name lives on a different Mendes Pinto, where history's drawn. Unknown he roamed so free, writing of adventures for all to see. In Macau, a street bears his name, a tribute to his daring, his quest for fame. Oh, for now, the tales you spun, from India to Japan, under the sun. Pinto, where history's drawn. Some say you lie, but your spirit soared. In every tale a new world explored. Macau remembers, with streets so grand, the legacy of a wandering man. Oh, for now, the tales you spun, from India to Japan, under the sun. In Macau, your name lives on a different Mendes Pinto, where history's drawn.
Okay, so we're on a street that's named after a Portuguese writer. It's from, I think it's from 1600s, I think. So the start of the street comes up here, and this is Kingsville Apartments, this tall one right here. And a lot of people go to Dino. We're probably going to briefly walk that way when we cross the street, but we're basically going to be going down this street right here. So stay tuned for this one. Ferna Mendes Pinto. Okay, Macau, for now, Mendes Pinto Street in Taipa Village. Up on the map, you can see exactly where we are. The music, I had fun because this guy is kind of a play on his name. So basically, he kind of tells all these long stories, slightly fabricated stories, maybe heavily fabricated. And Mendes is kind of like a little bit of a lie or exaggeration, or a lot of a lie, a lot of exaggeration. But he wrote a lot of stories that really stimulated a lot of people. Several hundred years ago. I think it was 1600s, I think, something like that. But anyways, this street is named after him. There's two streets with this name, one on the Macau side, one on the Taipa side. This is in Taipa Village, and we're going to be walking down it right now. We have the lyrics to the song that you heard as well, and let's just do it. Let's just get down the street, walk and show it to you as if you were there yourself. Walk and talk time, Macau. Okay, so let's kind of venture this way. We have this nice little marketplace here where people can enjoy, and I'll just kind of capture all the different angles. Got a bakery right there, and then we also have this tall apartment with all these beautiful windows right there, which is always kind of cool. And then everybody can sit outside here, and we're going to try to meander in like this. And then we're going to go over towards Dino's. Dino's, there's a cup of coffee right there too. Dino's is very popular for K-pop stuff. So that's, and chili dog as well. We're gonna come back in a second. I'm just gonna briefly look like that. So you can see this kind of circular thing that goes around. And then we have a roundabout right there. Pinto kind of overlooks our Target Street. That's Olympic Avenue that goes down that way. And we will go down. Oh, it's got, so this is a chili dog right there, then that's Dino's. So those are two popular places, so you can see both of them. Okay, then we got a cup of coffee right here. And then we're gonna just keep on walking all the way down. So let me just go back briefly. Okay. So we're gonna be heading down this way, and we're just gonna venture back and forth a little bit and give you an idea of the street. Highland Cafe. It's also kind of interesting because this is a Malaysian, this has like a Thai food, Korean food, Malaysian food, kind of a big mix. And over there, there's one that has kind of spicy food. It's gone now. It's like they're changing some of that. I've been here for 12 years, so things are changing sometimes. And then these little alleys, there's more food up here. This is illegal when people do this. So they'll put up places for rent, but it's actually illegal. They're not supposed to advertise like that. Some nice balconies right there. It's nice. Okay, so we are going to walk down. I might try to there's like mango rice there. So I might meander over a little bit. The reason I'm going to meander over because there's some nice restaurants over here. And they're all kind of lit up, they look nice. Japanese one. Then especially this pizza one. Looks nice. Lavish pizza. So, okay. So we are going to venture down. There's more restaurants over there as well. But we're going to venture down this way. And we got this little kiosk. I think this kiosk, they used to keep, policemen used to watch from these places, but it's more historical now than, they don't use it anymore at all. Okay, so we're going to keep on walking down the street. Let me just kind of venture over a little tiny bit. These are all the floodgates right here. So this is, if there's typhoons, there'll be a storm surge, and then they'll say like 2.5 meters, and then you'll know how deep it is. And this is kind of meanders about, and it goes behind all these buildings, but there's actually some restaurants in there too. But we're not going to go there today. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to try to get across the street. This is actually kind of a cool little place right here. Let's see. Ice cream. Okay, so we got some music. I'm going to keep on moving. But the music sounds nice. Then we got a temple coming up as well. There's the temple. And you can actually see like up into the mountains as well, all the way up that way. That's part of the temple right there. And then these signs over here, those yellow ones, those are all represent the what's it called? Firecracker factory. Firecracker factory that's now a museum. Okay. So yeah, that's the Firecracker Museum. We're gonna keep on meandering down. And we're gonna come up into a little park over here as well. So actually this is new. They kind of just built this recently, maybe a couple years ago during COVID. Okay, looks nice. More tall trees. And then this kind of this is Supiko. This goes all the way down to the type of museum houses. Got some murals. Okay, some places to sit over here. More the Firecracker Factory Museum. And then you can see the name in Portuguese and Fábrica de Panchaos. Ayaklong. And I'm going to sneak across. That's part of the museum right there. But we're coming to the end of our video. Firecracker Museum is to the right. I'm just going to highlight the sign real quick so you can see exactly where we are. Same place, but I'll show you something about it real quick. So that's our street, and then this starts a new street. So there's actually two different streets. So now we're on a different street entirely. And you can see Carmel Church up that way. You can also see this little Japanese ramen shop. That's that was something different not too long ago. Coffee shop, I think. Wasn't Japanese ramen. And then this is actually the Firecracker Factory. I have filmed in here before, but I'm not going to film it today, just to show you that it's here. Brazil, got a little Brazil thing there. And then it just kind of goes all the way around, so you can see all these different oh, there's an art tour right there. Looks like they're doing some more stuff here to create something new. So so anyways, our target street was the one that's out here, so but at least you kind of get an idea that this is here too. And on that note, we're going to come to an ending for our street. Hope you like that one. And that was it right there. And this is the other side. So this would actually be a different street, which we're not going to film. But we'll end it right there.
Different now Mendes Pinto, where history's drawn through lands unknown. He roamed so free, writing of adventures for all to see. In Macau, a street bears his name, a tribute to his daring, his quest for fame.